Today's program is the Science of Juggling. I do fun juggling experiments with simple sciences, and I talk about being your best, thinking great, and never giving up. That's just one of my many programs that I offer. Hello, I'm Dan Kirk, also known as the Juggler with the Yellow Shoes, kicking off the 2019-2020 school year here at Wild Rose Elementary in a small town, Wild Rose, Wisconsin. I would love to perform at your school. Now's the time to book for the entire school year. I have a variety of programs available. My most popular last year was my Stop Bullying presentation, but I also have a Reading is Grand program, the Science of Juggling program, which touches on character development and simple sciences, and a Truth About Drugs program. I also have a brand new game show. I call it the Ultimate Game Show, and that involves lots of audience participation and the use of many volunteers. And then I have an evening family night program. Here's what the principal of this school had to say.
Yes, I just wanted to say thank you to Dan Kirk for coming to Wild Rose, Wisconsin. It was a great kickoff the year speech for the kids. It was everything we wanted. He did a great job.
I bring everything I need to do an awesome program.
All right, clap for my 2019-2020 first assembly. There it is. Thank you guys, you're wonderful.
For more information on all these programs, visit my website, dankirk.com, and click on the School Assemblies page.